We are now moving on to step 4 in PowerTeacher Pro gradebook setup, copying Course 1 setting to all courses. Once your grade calculations are set for one course for all terms, you're going to copy these to other courses. And again, we're going to work on this much more quickly and fastly. We are not going to click on every single pencil for other courses. Instead, here underneath these settings, traditional grade calculations, I'm going to click on the gear icon from the top right and choose Copy Traditional Grade Calculations again. This time, however, I'm going to make sure to leave the radio button selected to copy terms to another class. Because I already set up my Math 3 course, I am now copying those settings to my other courses. Where it says From Class and Term, you want to make sure this is set up for the entire school year. This captures every other term that falls underneath this year. So please make sure your term is set to the current school year. As a note, if any terms listed here are ones that you cannot edit, that are district set up, such as semesters and years, do not worry, those will not be changed by these settings that you set. I'm choosing 23-24 since that is the year. And I'm choosing my Math 3 class since that is the one that I already set up. Where it says To Class, I'm going to choose the term. And the term will be the same school year as I set up as I chose for the From class, because that school year will include all 4 quarters and the E1 term if you have that for a course. Once I select that as the term, I'm going to select my classes. Once I select classes, I have a few choices. I can either go through and select individual courses one at a time, or I can go up to the top and choose Select All. The Select All button is especially handy when you know all of your classes are using this gradebook setup. Again, our recommendation is that all courses use the same category weighting and major and minor categories. I am choosing Select All. Once you have selected your classes, click Validate. Once you select Validate, again, you are looking that it is calculating from quarters to the same quarter, and you're looking for the green check marks. Again, anything under Info, you can ignore. Finally, click Copy. Your traditional grade calculations have now been copied from your first course to all other courses. If you notice, I can check this by going to another course, such as my Science 3 course, going to another quarter that I have not edited at all. Let's just look at quarter 3. And when it opens, you'll see that my category weighting is set up correctly. My traditional grade calculations have now been set up for all of my courses.